In this comic, I wanted to highlight how certain mathematical concepts like tangent line, parallel lines, and asymptotes can represent emotional or philosophical ideas, particularly about relationship and life. Each line has different role, but they all have a deeper meaning beyond their mathematical functions. First is the tangent lines. They touch once and part forever. This can represent moments in life or relationship that are fleeting but impactful. Sometimes we only get one chance to experience something and it might be brief but it holds significance. Second is parallel lines. These lines will never meet, symbolizing that some things in life are just not meant to align, no matter how much we hope or wish for them. This can represent unfulfilled desires or people you care about but can't connect with in every way you'd like. The last is asymptotes. These lines get closer and closer but never truly touch. They represent things that might seem just out of reach, but never sure eh, but are still meaningful in their pursuit. This can symbolize dreams or aspirations that we may never fully realize, but the journey towards them add values. My realization about these lessons is sometimes relationship or life situation may not work out in the way we expect. Tangents teach us to appreciate fleeting moments. Parallel lines remind us that not everything aligns, and asymptotes shows that it's okay for some things to remain just out of reach. It's the effort and the chase that matters. I chose this lesson because even in a subject like math that seems very logical, there's a room for reflections and understanding deeper meanings. Mathematics is universal language and like in life, things don't always add up perfectly, but there's a value in what we learn from these experiences.